Panasonic NR-B32SG2 review, January 2000. This is a test of the temperature. As you can see, it's 20 degrees-ish, 20 and a half, 230. I'll put this into the fridge. In it goes. Place there. You can see. Let's see. 230. Okay, I'll come back. You can see it's 14.3 degrees. And here we are, another 5 minutes later. It's down at 11 degrees, and you can see the humidity is 73%. Going up, as you'd expect in the front. We're at 9.4 degrees now. So you can see that. 9.4 degrees. At 3 o'clock. Half an hour later, at 7 degrees. Let's just take a look inside. That's saying 7. The one above is at 3. So eventually that will hit 7, because it takes a while for the plastic thing to settle down at 6.9. It's dropping. Now what we'll do is we'll place this into the chiller. Watch. That goes in there. In at 3 something. Give it 10 minutes. Okay. So what do we have? 6.6 and dropping. Let's have a look at this one. The motor stops when you open the door, which is pretty cool. That's down at 1.8 degrees, so you can see it's dropped considerably. I'll maintain it, I think, around freezing. The idea is that fruit and veg have salts in them and they don't freeze. So look, the fridge is a cool thing. It is hard to see, but it's an eco function. It's touch screen, so it comes on when you press it. You can press eco or holiday mode, right? I won't bother, turn it off. You can cycle through here by touching. Super chilled, coolest thing's on 8 degrees. You know, you get the gist of it. Okay, let's swap hands. Whoops. 8. Cycle down through. 654. I find 2 is pretty good, very cold. That'll go down. Further 22, 24. Super freeze 16, 18. I'm saying 20. And you have to, and the light goes off after a while. There you go, to save on power. So it's pretty good. Here's my fingerprint on it. Doesn't really leave much of a mark. Just comes off pretty easily. So what are we at now? 6. A few hours later, 5:54, and it's 3.6 degrees, 55 degrees, 55% humidity. Let's have a look inside. Okay. 3.8 degrees. Let's have a look what this guy is doing here. It's coming up at -0.7, so about -1 degrees. So, as you can see, very happy with the fridge so far. No problems. I'm delighted I bought it. Nice door as well, nice firm top to the door, you see. Kind of good. Very happy. Now it's 8:15, 4.4 degrees, which you get from a setting of 2. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move this guy in here. So it takes to drop. Check this out. What's that? -1. See there? Close that. And let's see. A bit of time has passed. 9:45 on Sunday night. You can see it's -0.3 degrees in that cool compartment. So another cool feature is if you leave the fridge door open, So I've just opened it there, okay? I opened it at 9:42. You'll hear the alarm come on in a second. The alarm tells you when it's open too long. So let's have a look. Again, there's 5 LEDs at the top. It's quite bright. Obviously the bowl prevents the light getting down, but overall very good. The alarm has just come on, so you'll see the time. Listen to this. Can you hear it? You hear that? Beeping to tell me the door's open. I'll close it. And it stopped. See, it's, what time is it? What time is it? 10:15, and it's minus 20 degrees in the freezer. And as you can see, I have it set to minus 20. So if that isn't on the money, then I don't know what is. And as you can see, I'm happy out with it. One thing that I really like about this fridge is that there's a really solid feel to the doors. Quite a nice handle that's hidden in here. You can of course replace the door and turn them around, but you need an engineer to do that apparently. So look, if we open this, this thing seems to give it a nice kind of clunk feeling. There's another one up there. So here we have, it's frost free, so there's no frost there. Let's get this baby out of here. What are we looking at here? Minus 19.8, so pretty good. The inverter, the motor has stopped. Close this into the clunk. Nice. And starts up again. These two fridge magnets just prevent the fridge from banging off that stupid door handle. So we're getting our whole kitchen remodeled in the next week to move this fridge over to there and readjust all that. The fridge has an A++ rating, which is excellent. It uses an inverter technology, which basically reduces your power quite a bit, and it's apparently unique to Panasonic. It does keep food really cold, and the temperature stuff will show you that. Our last fridge didn't. It also looks great. It is 252 litres of a fridge, 72 litres of a freezer, giving you 324 litres in total. The previous fridge was 365 litres, so look, we've lost a small bit, but we're not that bothered. I bought it in the Panasonic store in Limerick, and there is cashback of €87 if you buy between now and the end of January.